Sri Gurupyo Namaha children.
In last session, we have discussed how to create a module and how to import the functions present in the module. Discuss how to create a package and how we are going to import the package. So the first step in creating that, we have to define the directory. Then we have to place all the modules in that particular package, and we have to create some special file called as init_py, and we have to import all the package, and we can use the attributes present in the package. Now we are going to create a package or the directory called as geometry, and we are going to place the different modules. So we have area and we have volume, which we are going to define under the geometry directory, and we are going to attach a special file called init_dot_py file in each of the module, right? Even in your volume module and area module, in both the modules you have to attach a special file init_dot_py, and we are going to import these packages, and we are going to use it in any part of your programming, like normally that you import a built-in function. The same way we are going to do this. Let us understand this how we are going to do in a practically. Right? For the first one, first step is you have to create a directory. Right? For creating the directory, we have to import the OS, where this OS contains the directory path of your modules. Right? So we have to create dot mkdir, that is make directory, and you have to specify what name you are going to specify the directory. It is geometry. So we have specified the directory. The next step is the creation of your modules. Now we'll create a new module, right? So take a new file, and in that file you are going to create the modules. In that module, rectangle underscore area of length and breadth we are going to calculate. Return length into breadth. Right? So we have created this module, and we are going to save this file under the directory geometry. Right? So under the directory we have to save the file. So area underscore module dot py. So we have saved under the directory area module. Next, the second module is volume, right? So define the functions which are present in the volume. Cube underscore volume of side. So return side into side. So we have specified the function which is present for the um, um, volume, that is for calculating the cube, right? So save the file. You have to save this file under the same directory called as your geometry. So your file name is volume.py. So we have saved both the files, right? So after saving these things, we have to create a special file called as init.py. Create a new file and define, that is we are going to import all the contents or the functions which are present in that module as a part of your init package. Otherwise, your Python will not treat the modules that you have created, or it will not take it as a package. Right? So, from which module, that is area underscore module import, right? So either generally you can define the statement, or a particular function that you have defined also you can define in that particular init module, right? So we have defined, as we have only one function, we have specified it here, right? So from volume, the second module is volume import cube underscore volume, right? So both the functions we have imported. Now we have to save this file under the path directory, right? So which is our path? That is, our directory is geometry. So each and every module should be attached with your init.py file. So init underscore py, right? So sorry, underscore init.py file. Right. So we have saved this program. Now we'll execute how to import or how to use the package that we have created for. Right. So from the directory, we are going to import the contents. Geometry. What is your name of your directory? It is geometry. So from the geometry only, we are going to import two modules. We are going to import. One is your area underscore module. The other name of your file is volume, right? So both the modules we have imported, right? So let us pass some values to execute the modules. Print area underscore module. So we have two dot. That is, this is your name of your file, where we have to pass the values to the function. So what is the function that you have specified? That is, you have to specify the qualifier, right? So area underscore rectangle underscore area of the values you have to pass. That is 10, 50, right? So we have created a directory. We have attached the files along with the directory. Now we have imported the directory, and by specifying that the name of your functions, we can able to access the functions which are present in a modules, right? Generally, how we use some built-in functions in your Python, the same way even here also you can create your own module. You can define functions in that and you can use it, right? So let us see the second module, how we are going to import it. So print of volume dot cube underscore volume of the side we have to pass it, right? So let us assume it as 10, right? So every time we have created a directory, we attached a special file for each. In the directory we have the attached two modules. Then we have attached a special file called as init. Then by importing the content from that directory, we are using the functions which are present in that particular modules. This is how the creation of your directory works. So we have successfully created a package called as a directory which contains the modules area and volume. Thank you, children.